Hello friends, this is Will, the science guy. Today, we're looking at yesterday. We went to Pineland Farm and we're showing you what happened.
That's right. So we went on a field trip yesterday to Pineland Farms. So we're going to take a look at some of those pictures and the kids are going to tell you what they learned about. So what did we do at the farm yesterday? Lois, do you want to start?
Ice cream.
We made ice cream at the farm yesterday.
And we all got to help, even my baby sister Juliet.
That's right. So Lois, do you remember what did you get to pour? What did you get to measure for the ice cream? Milk. That's right. Milk. And that kind of makes sense because we were on a farm, right?
Yeah.
And what type of animals did they have on the farm?
Cows.
Cow.
And goats.
And goats. But we use cow's milk to make ice cream, don't we?
So,
Yeah. Anything else you guys want to say about this one?
I like making ice cream.
You liked making
It was
ice cream.
really fun.
I'm really glad. So there was 4 ingredients, right?
Vanilla. There was vanilla, cow's milk, cream,
What made it sweet?
sugar.
Sugar. So those were the 4 ingredients that we used for the ice cream. Milk, cream, vanilla, and sugar. All right, here's the next picture. What were you boys doing? Do you remember?
I'm measuring the cream.
Ooh, yeah, you were measuring the cream.
Yeah.
We needed a lot of cream, right?
And
That's right, Jules. What's Henry doing? Henry, what were you doing?
Not making a mess.
You were not making a mess. Yep, you helped measure the cream too. I remember she talked about how when we get milk from a cow, the milk kind of separates, right? You can kind of see it in that jar back there. So fresh milk, the heavy part, the cream, the thick part, it actually floats because it's fatty. And the bottom is the milk that we drink.
And milk is not bad.
It has some fat depending on the milk, right? Ooh, okay. So we mixed up the ingredients. We mixed the 4 ingredients. We put them in an ice cream maker to churn it up and get it frozen, right?
And then we went to go see the cows.
Then we went to go see the cows. That's right. Now, this farm is a dairy farm. So what do they use their cows for?
Milk.
Milk, that's right. They don't.
Unlike my dad used to do. The cows they raised at that farm, they were for slaughter.
Raise the cows for eating. These cows are raised for milk. So we walked all through the farm, and it was really pretty, wasn't it? So what did you guys learn about how they keep their cows?
People want to pet them.
Yep, we were allowed to pet them, that's right, but we had to be careful,
And
right?
we had to sanitize our hands.
Yep, we had to clean our hands.
And one of the cows, Raviola, was pregnant.
Ravioli. Yep, one of the cows, Ravioli, was pregnant. That's right. So, do you remember, what do cows have to do before we can milk them?
Have babies.
Have babies, that's right. So
like Ravioli might not.
I know.
That's right, yeah, baby cows. So that's what makes the cows' bodies make milk. So do you think, do they hook up boy cows to the milk machines? No.
Because, and also, they are very strong. They're very powerful and aggressive.
Yep, that's right.
See, I thought it was really funny. See, later in the video, you'll see a corn maze, and the bulls were right close to them. I was wondering if there was minotaurs because of the bulls.
Yeah.
So,
let's see. So Lois was, I think, probably the one who liked touching the cows the most.
Yeah.
Now, in this picture, I noticed there's like a blue dish with like a button. What's that for?
Water. And they always get fresh water because they press the button with their nose, and then like fresh water comes up.
That's right.
So
And-
the thing is to like, hey.
Do you guys remember how much water one cow drinks a day?
No.
She said if you fill up a bathtub with water, that's about how much water one cow drinks every day. And they had like more than 50 cows.
Yeah, probably more than 50, yeah.
That's a lot of water. What do cows eat?
Hey!
Yep, hay.
Water.
But
They
not
drink
cookies.
water. Yeah, not cookies. We read a story about cows and cookies, didn't we? Ooh, now let's see. What is this a picture of?
That was honeybee.
Oh, honey buns. That's right. This baby cow's name was Honey Buns.
Yeah, I pet told how many times.
And see, we could only pet one cow per trip, per trip to the farm. But I didn't want to pet any cows because I heard they had ringworm, so I just pet an invisible cow.
Yeah, so one of the baby cows had ringworm. That's right. And ringworm is like a fungus, and humans can catch ringworm. So those cows we couldn't touch, but these baby cows, actually, part of the reason that we could only touch one baby cow. Think about when a baby human is born. Are they very strong? Is it easy for them to get sick? Yeah, because their bodies are still used to being out in the world. So with baby cows, so this was the section with the little bitty babies. They each have their own, she called them like a cow crib. Hi, baby cow.
They don't have to share.
They don't have to share because their bodies are still learning how to fight germs. So we weren't allowed to touch more than one baby cow because we didn't want to take germs from one baby cow and give them to another baby cow. Now, I keep saying baby cow. What's a baby cow called?
A calf.
Good. A calf.
Shame on you.
So this calf, her name was Honey Bun, like Lois said. And she was only a month old, wasn't she?
But then there's only 5 days old.
So I pet one with like a wee tiny one.
Yeah, Honey Bun. Yep, there was one, and she was only 5 days old, like Ralphie said. We didn't touch that one, but
now
was
she's
so
6
cute.
days old.
Yeah, now she's 6 days old, that's true. So that's you guys in front of the baby cows that were in the cow crib.
And you can see my pose. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Because I like to.
So we looked at all the cows, right?
If we faced
Then we walked back, and then what did we eat?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Juliet, was the ice cream yummy?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah,
Super
it was
I
yummy.
pee nummy.
Yum, yum.
It was great vanilla ice cream. I almost had seconds.
Mm-hmm. All right, and then, so...
As all of us with our sunglasses.
Yeah,
Go
you
back
guys
to.
had your matching sunglasses on. And then
That's
we kind
even
of,
better because girls is that up.
We got to play then.
yeah, then we kind of explored the farm a little bit, right? There was like a little farm playground.
Let's get sunglasses.
That's right.
It's a mom.
There's Juliet losing her sunglasses. And let's see, what are some of the other farm animals that we looked at? Chickens. Hey guys, let's take turns so we can hear. So I heard chickens. Lois, what's another animal we saw? We saw pigs, that's right. Ralph says we saw sheep. Henry, what else did we see? Goats and sheep, yep. So there were some funky looking chickens too.
And we also saw rams.
Yeah, we saw rams, that's right. Juliet was very excited about the chickens. And were there some funny looking chickens?
Oh yeah, some had crazy hair. Like some of them looked like famous people move.
Yeah, some had crazy hair. And there's the one that Lois talked about. We saw 2 pigs. Were they very excited?
No. Oh, Mom,
They were just kind of laying in the shade, huh?
And Mom, can you tell them their nicknames?
Ham and bacon, right?
Ham and bacon. That's what Dad named them.
Ooh, what type of bird was this?
A peacock. A girl peacock.
A peacock, a girl peacock. There's the boy up there, right?
If the boys are show off.
The boys are show-offs. That's right.
Go walk back.
And there's all the different chickens. Now, the chickens they had divided up, right?
Into teens and adults.
Yeah, so this is Ralph and Lois looking at the adult chickens. And there's Jules and Henry looking at the not quite baby chickens. Go ahead.
But they're like teens.
Alright, so then after we finished looking at the animals, where did we go?
The corn maze.
The corn maze. And did we make it through the corn maze?
Yes, we
Yeah.
actually did.
We didn't even have to use the map.
It was
I took
like
a picture
20
of the map.
minutes.
Yeah, it was like 20-30 minutes maybe. We did a great job.
So I don't right now.
We started over on the right-hand side with that blue. The blue was the start, and then we finished down below that. But we had to go all the way through. This was when we survived the corn maze. Was there a lot of corn growing in the corn maze?
Yeah.
Jules actually got pretty scared when she was walking. He
Yeah.
doesn't like things taller than her unless it's her family.
Yeah, and the corn was definitely taller than Jules. It was taller than Daddy. Yeah.
Mommy. Oh,
And then we walked back up to the car, and I think Ralph mentioned we saw some bulls, right? Some boy cows.
Yep. And there was no Minotaur, don't worry. No,
No Minotaur.
From the Minotaurs.
That's right, no Minotaur in the corn maze. Go ahead, Lois.
I had to say that.
And I go to a market.
And we went to the market. Yeah, Pineland Farms has a market, and we had super yummy lunch, didn't we?
I had a bacon, lettuce, cucumber sandwich.
Yeah, with cheese right from the farm, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And so the market had a bunch of good food from the farm. So what were your favorite things that you learned at the farm?
Probably that there is no Minotaur in the corn maze.
Okay, no Minotaur in the corn maze. I like it. Lois, what was your favorite thing that you learned at the farm? Or your favorite thing we did?
Looking at a pony.
Looking at the ponies.
And playing on a pony.
And playing on the playground. That was really fun. Henry, what was your favorite?
Actually, I think I have
Hold on. Nope.
I'm going in the corner.
Going in the corn maze. That
I
was
think
cool.
actually I have two favorites.
Okay, Ralph, what's your other favorite?
Probably also getting the ice cream
Getting the ice cream? Yeah.
or the market.
Juliet, did you like to go to the farm? Yeah, you did. What animals did you like at the farm? You liked eating ice cream? Yum, the ice cream was so tasty. Good job, guys. Until our next field trip.
Dun dun dun.